Hey kids, today we will practice multiplication facts for 9. You want to be able to know all of your 9 facts by memory. For example, 9 times 4 equals 36. And a great way to do this is to use a clever way of counting 9 facts using your fingers. This method, though, will only work for 9. For example, it's not going to work for 5 facts or 6 or 7 facts, only 9. Here's what we're going to do today. In this lesson, we're going to practice some vocabulary. Then we're going to use what I'm going to call a finger method, and then practice 9 facts, okay? And Wally's going to help us a little today. The numbers that you multiply, for example, 9 times 4, are called factors. The answer of 36 is called the product. Remember that you can switch your factors and you'll still get the same answer. You can also go up and down. For example, 9 times 4 is 36, and if you change it to 4 times 9, it'll be the same. Our strategy today is called a finger method. Remember, it only works for 9s. You want to be mindful of left and right, because when you're counting, for this video, we're going to be counting from our left. And Wally's going to help us. He's really good at left. Okay. So here's how it works. For example, 9 times 1. You want to start from your left, thank you, Wally, and you're going to bend your finger, in this case, your first finger. Then you want to count how many fingers are to the right. So in this case, 9. So 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2. So this time we want to, from the left, bend your second finger. Thank you, Wally. And notice this time you have a finger to the left, and that's one finger. Then notice your other fingers to the right of your bent finger would be about, I'm counting, 8. So your answer is 18. Now, where do we get 18? The 1 is the number of fingers to the left. The 8 are the number of fingers that you count to the right. So 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3. So counting from your left, thank you, Wally, right? You bend your third finger, and then we're seeing 1, 2 on the left, and 1, 2, all the way up to 7 for an answer of 27. Again, where do we get the 2 and the 7? The 2 is on the left. The 7 is on the right. So 9 times 3 is 27 using our finger method. 9 times 4. So from the left, thank you, Wally, bend your fourth finger. We're seeing 3 on the left, and it looks like 6 on the right for 36. Remember, we get our 3 and our 6 for 36, meaning the numbers of fingers to the left side and to the right side of the bent finger. 9 times 5, and from the left, Wally. So, right, there are 4 on the left, and looks like 5 on the right for 45. Again, where do we get the 4 and the 5? 4 on the left side, 5 on the right. So that's kind of cool. You getting the hang of it? 9 times 6 from the left side, right? Going to bend your sixth finger from the left, and if you count the number of fingers to the left, you get 5, and the number to the right is 4. So our answer is 54. We get our 5 left, 4 fingers right for 54. All right, you ready to practice? Let's give it a try. So 2 times 9. So I like to say palms down, okay? Count from your left. Thank you, Wally. And we're going to do the second finger. I'm counting 1 and 8 for 18. So 2 times 9 is 18. Good. 8 times 9. So palms down. Count 8 from the left. Wally, yep, there he is. And count your fingers to the left, which I'm seeing 7, and 2 to the right. So 8 times 9 is 72, using our finger method. 3 times 9, palms down. From the left, thank you, Wally. Bend your third finger. I'm counting 2 and 7. So that would be 3 times 9 is 27. Great. 0 times 9, don't really need to use your finger method for this one. That's just the 0 rule that any number times 0 is going to be 0. 9 times 9, so palms down, right? Counting from your left side. Thank you, Wally. Okay. So bend your 9th finger from the left and then count. So I'm seeing looks like 8 and 1. Okay. So in other words, 9 times 9 is 81 using our finger method. 5 times 9. Palms down. Well, there's Wally. Okay. So 5th from the left. And we're counting 4 and 5. So 5 times 9 is 45. 11 times 9, don't really need to use your finger method for this. That's just a double rule, and I don't think we have 11 fingers either, so 9 doubled is just 99. 12 times 9, kind of a similar idea. We don't have 12 fingers, but think about it. If 11 times 9 is 99, and 11 facts are easy, then you just really need one more group of 9. So in other words, 99 plus 9 is 108, and eventually you'll just memorize that fact. 6 times 9, so palms down. Count from your left. Thank you, Wally. So bend that 6th finger from the left, and I'm counting 5 on the left and 4 on the right. So that should be 6 times 9 equals 54. 4 times 9. Palms down, right? Wally, yep, there he is. So we're bending our 4th finger and counting 3 on the left, 6 on the right. So in other words, 4 times 9 equals 36. Good job. 10 times 9, don't really need to use your fingers for that one. That's just a 10 rule, and we just would take the 9 and add a 0 for 90. 7 times 9, palms down. From the left, your 7th finger. Okay, so bend your 7th finger. And we're counting 6 on the left and 3 on the right. So that would be 7 times 9 is 63. Great. 1 times 9, that's just a 1 rule. Remember that any number times 1 is itself, so 1 times 9 is 9. Nice job. Thank you, Wally. Good job, bud. Keep practicing. Thanks, everybody, and we hope to see you on the next one.